Okay, I put a post up earlier and asked what kind of air conditioner this was. Nobody could tell me, or nobody said anything, so I had to go buy it just to see what kind of air conditioner it is. This is a, you can't really see in there, 5,100 BTU Montgomery Ward brand air conditioner. So I don't know who made this, but it was sold at Montgomery Ward apparently. It's got these. It's missing the front grill, unfortunately, because it looks like it would be a very cool unit other than that. It appears to be in pretty decent condition. I don't see any rust or anything in the bottom of the pan. I need to go get a light so I can at least show something here. I haven't tried it. Supposedly it works, but it was only $10, so that seems to be the magic number lately, $10. So there you go. It's kind of neat. I wish I had that front panel, and I wish it were larger. Once again, with only finding these little tiny units lately. I don't know how much you can see in there. It's got this weird, I think that's a rotary in it. But it's a very heavy unit. It's a very oblong looking rotary. But I'm pretty sure that is a rotary. It's too small to be a reciprocating compressor. It's just a oddly shaped rotary. I can't see what it says, but it was made in Singapore. Probably 1989, I'm guessing. It says 0389. What kind of fan motor is in this thing? I can't tell. It's a big one. Yeah, the bottom of the pan appears to be in pretty decent condition. I mean, it's dirty, but it appears to be pretty good. Let me see if I can show you back in there the sticker. Let me angle those. There we go. There we go. You can sort of see it. Maybe. There we go. And up here somewhere it says Montgomery Ward. I think it's up there. Anyway, it's quiet air, high efficiency with electronic control. It's got your exhaust vent. It's got the thermostat. Only goes down to 65. Time delay. Low, medium, and high. Power, cool and fan. Filter check, and oh, energy saver. So that's interesting. I haven't tried it. I believe, okay, that seems like it would be off. Plug's in good condition. So let me go ahead and plug it in here, and we'll see what it does. For a 5,000 BTU unit, this is A, pretty big, and B, it's got these, which is kind of neat. You can angle it up and down and side to side. Apparently we need to check the filter. Let's turn it on. Okay, it's on fan only. That's low fan. Medium. And high. Doesn't move too much. It's blowing crap in my face. It doesn't move too much air. Let me see if I can get it between speeds. Yes, I can. All right. And press this weird button and turn it over to cool. I don't know what kind of rotary that is. It's pretty smooth sounding. Oh, the fan came back on. Okay, good enough. I actually have, and I'm going to go grab this, a temperature sensor now. It is not the one that I would want to have. It's not an infrared one, but I have one. So let me grab it so they can demonstrate temperature. So it appears to be a functioning air conditioner, so for $10, I think a functioning air conditioner is worth it. It doesn't really matter what it is. Really wish I had that front panel. And I don't know why I keep finding these little small 5,000 BTU units that I can't really use for much, but that's what I've been coming across. And as long as they work, I'll take them. This is a cool computer. I'm going to show this probably in another video. Well, not probably. It's going to definitely be in another video because it's not going to be in this video. It's got two... Damn it, I'm just trying to find my multimeter. It's got two Intel Pentium 3 microprocessors. Not just one. See, I feel it in here. Oh, is it in here? It's the last section I checked. Yep. Okay. And the battery's dead. No, it ain't. Okay, so it should have had time to get cold by now. And indeed it did. Oh, that's actually pretty good. Let's see here. Temperature, Fahrenheit. It is 82 degrees in here right now. I'm going to shove this in the vent here. And now it's going up. Because I have it plugged in backwards. What? Delta O, Celsius, Fahrenheit. Okay, 71. It seems warmer than that in here. Put that in there. Yeah, this thing's blowing pretty good. It's not blowing too much out of this vent. It's mostly coming out of here. Well, no, I angled it away. It actually is about equal. I don't know what the deal with these are. Oh, they come off? No, they just... Yeah, they do come off. I think these probably held the front grill on. I wish I had it. Looks like we're sitting right around... Well, it was before I touched it. There we go. 55. So if it said it was 71, 60, 50, that's 20 degrees around. So that's not bad. Let me see if I can get it better in there. I believe it's probably colder than that. But I don't know. This... Oh, date, 04 of 89, it says it right in there. Montgomery Ward, Inc., Chicago, Illinois. This sticker is making me think WCI. Because that looks like the sticker WCI used to use. So we got 55 there. See about on the back. That compressor sounds very good. It's nice and warm out here. Let me shove this in there. Okay, that's definitely, come on, definitely hotter than that. No, it might not be right there. Yeah, that's about right. Got a good amount of airflow over this. I don't think this coil's too dirty. So 55 is about where that's sticking at. Turn that down to low. Let's see where it goes. This is some sort of fully electronic control, but it's mechanical electronic controls because it's got a wire here. It's not a regular thermostat, so that's interesting. Got a time delay. So on low, it's sitting around 53. Go up to high, it sits around 55. I can't really feel the rings on the end of the coils because they're blocked, but it feels like foil up until like the very top is cold. Actually, now it's staying at 53. This is a very quiet and smooth running unit because you gotta imagine half of that is the fan back there because only up to like right here would be inside. Hell, I might install this in like that window or something and let it run overnight. Or maybe not overnight, but just demonstrate it. I probably won't because I'm lazy. But yeah, that's interesting. This is a Montgomery Ward air conditioner. I don't know what the front panel would look like because I don't have it, but it looks like it would go all the way over here because that looks unfinished too, and I would imagine it's wood grain because there's wood grain there. Yeah, this thing's going to sleep, that's fine. But yeah, this seems to be a pretty well-made, pretty good unit. It's unfortunate I don't have the front panel. I think the compressor just kicked off. It did. It only goes down to 65. That's kind of an annoyance. And since it's electronic, I don't think there's probably an easy way to adjust that. I just turned Energy Saver on and the fan's not kicking off. It's definitely an interesting unit. I really wish I had that front panel. Anyway, there you go. Montgomery Ward 5100 BTU window air conditioner. Definitely not a ball bearing motor, whatever it is. It's too caked in dirt to tell. There'll be another video on it, cleaning it, taking it apart. Unless if somebody doesn't know in the comments, which they might, we'll see what kind of compressor is in here. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.